Okay, before we get started, Stonto, can you tell me what you briefly understand by uh, Tableau? And today we are going to Tableau. I just want you to tell me what you understand by Tableau.
Okay, I just know that it's a software that we can use to visualize uh, yeah, and analyze data. Or we can visualize our result. Put it this way.
So, have you ever seen someone working with it, or have you ever, in any case, see or saw anyone using it?
No.
But you are hearing about Tableau.
Yes.
So Tableau is similar to Power BI. Tableau is similar to Power BI, just like Power BI. You can visualize. Only that Tableau have a lot of um, packages. Okay, you can tell stories in Tableau. You can create dashboard. I think Tableau is easy, and I think for the story aspect, I love it. I love it because it make your work look easier. So
Okay.
you you have to go through Tableau by researching on it. So I want you to know that this is the software we are using, Tableau. You see the first, this is the first page. This is the first page of Tableau, which I just shared to you. I believe you can see the screen.
Yes.
So this is the first page. As soon as you click the icon, it will take you to this first page. So I want you to take note of it. Try to download Tableau and
I don't
practice
know.
with.
I don't know the table yesterday.
Okay, you have already downloaded it. Good, good. So did your Tableau show exactly like this?
Yes.
Okay, I saw some people, some people who have issues like this. So I want you to know, if you cannot, if you did not see this like this, I think you are having issue with your Tableau. But if you see this like this, you are not having issue. So this was the first page. One, as soon as you open it, it will take you to this first page. So you have a different way to connect your data. So you see, this first is a Microsoft Excel package, which you can use to connect your connect your work, and also you can use PDF and other packages. So you can connect from a server. Or take a server, your SQL server, your Oracle server. So we are working with Excel. We are working with Excel now, and we are going to see how it works. So let's stay patient. As soon as I connect it, you will see the environment like this. Now let me connect an existing data set, the food price data set. So it's an Excel file. So it's loading the query. Uh, so this is my data set. And it looked like Excel, right? It looked like Power BI,
Yes.
right? So this
Yes.
is my data set. And it shows all the columns and all the data. So this is the first sheet, the sheet. The data source, if you look down here, you see data source. Data source is the process of how you connect your data and how it's loaded it. This is a sheet. You can create different sheets, and I want you to, at the end of this class, practice more on this environment and see some of these things I'm trying to explain for you. Now we have the dashboard. Once I click here, you see create new dashboard, create this new worksheet, new dashboard, and stories. So the good thing about it that after creating your your sheet, you can tell stories using your sheet. So let me this is my data, the full data set. Please always look at my icon. Always look at my icon. Watch me as I over through this environment. So this is my data set, and I click on the first sheet because we are going to work on sheet by sheet. Okay, we are going to work on sheet. So, and we have on my full data set, we have the column of food, month, and price. That is the three column. That is the three column on my food data set. So if I open it, okay, let's see our data source again. And did you see the three columns?
Yes.
And the three columns are month, food, and price. Month, food, and price. And so let's go to our sheet back again. Now, okay, now let's work on our first visualization. And this place is the column and this is the row. So you have to drag your column or your row you want it to appear as. This is the page and the filter. This filter helps you to filter your maybe your column. You can filter it to like count, maximum, and all some other filter you want it to look like. So, and I believe this is not new to you. This file is not new to you. Try to go over this tags bar. Try to go play with it, and so that you can have a good understanding of what I'm trying to teach you. So you see this show me, this is a show me. This is where you see a different type of graph. As soon as you click your row and column, you see it will suggest graph that suits or fits it for you. So I want you to know that Tableau is easy and it's not difficult to work with. So try to go over it and see it better. Okay,
Okay.
so now let's drag our first food to the column. Let's see. I've dragged it, so I don't like it like this. So let me put it as a row. So this is the roll. This is the roll. The roll you have the beans, rice, tomato, yam. And let's see the prices. And this is the prices. Sometimes you may not see the visualization. I don't really know why my visualization is not really showing. I will try to work on my sheet to see if my visualization will show here. But if when I come to my dashboard, I will see it by clicking on the sheets I visualize. So this is my visualization of the food. Now, as the beans visualization is uh, sells, I think the price of 3,500, and the rice is of 4,500. So this is a visualization. Okay, so this is our first page. We have visualized it. So it has already suggested some visualization for us. Look at it, and you can as well click on this. Once you click on this and go to your dashboard and see it, you can view it on your dashboard. So it will look like this. You can visualize it like this. So we have already visualized it like this. So let's go to the next sheet and drag again. Now we want to see the re-visualization for this. The other visualization for the table is just like a table which it show at the dashboard. So let's see the visualization. So now when you see the visualization, you see that it shows also sum and you can filter. So let's work with this. Okay, let's just work with this for now. So let's see the visualization of this first. Okay, and let's see the food. So let's see it at the dashboard. This is our dashboard. And okay, and let me delete this. So this is our visualization of our first sheet, and let's see our second sheet. Okay, this is our second sheet. Okay, our second sheet. So I think our second sheet did not give us a price. So let's see the price. So okay, good. Let's see our second visualization. This is our second visualization. I think let's see. We don't need it to be like this. Let's see the table. Let's see this. Okay, this is how it look like, and it gave us each count of the. So I think rice, no, yam sells more than tomatoes, and also more than the beans and rice. So this is sheet one and sheet two. This is how you create your dashboard. So let's go to stories. So this is stories. You can add story like one. So let's see our two. Let's add story of two, and let's add another one again. So let's call this table. I'm coming. So let's call this table for food. Table for food. Okay. Now we apply. You press OK, and let's uh, let's add this. Now we had okay. Now let me edit this. Let's just write story for food data set. So we can write it as story for food data set. Okay, good. Now inside, let's see our capture. Let's write our capture. This is a table for food, table counts, table counts, or the sum of food. Let's say the sum of food. Okay, food price. Okay, now this is sum of food price. Now we can also name here to visualization of food price. Let's say uh, of visualization of food price. Uh, food price. Okay, visualization of food price. So this is visualization of food price, and this is our sum of food price and visualization of food price. So let's create another table for under sheet. So let me create sheet 3. So let's see other visualization. Let's see the months. Let's say month and the prices. So months and prices, and so let's see the visualization. Let's choose this or this. Let's look at cards. So let's see this. Now let's click on 3. I hope you are following.
Yes.
Okay, this is a card. I think you can also name each visualization. You can also name each visualization for each sheet. You can see on sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. You can rename each sheet and tell your story about each sheet. So I'm trying to let you know this particular process and environment of visualizing your data. Okay, so I think this is different counts of food. So if you see the pattern of how it's arranged in each month, so I think I don't like it. So let's see another visualization. So let's pick something like this. So let's see our dashboard. Okay, now let's see our dashboard, and it gave us this because of the color. It gave us this because of the color. So you can rearrange your dashboard. You can rearrange your dashboard. So let's see. Let's pick something like this. Let's say if it will give us. So I don't like this. I don't really like this. I think I don't like this. So you have to play with your data. Good. So let's go with this. So this is okay by us. And so I think if we are asked to look on the prices of each month, and in August the prices went high for the food prices, and you have to try to give your recommendation and all. So am I too fast, or
Mm.
I hope you are following, you understand what I'm teaching you.
Yes. I'm following.
So if you feel that I'm too fast to explain, you get back to me. If you are not following with my explanation, you have questions, you can ask your questions. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have gotten this. So let's go to our stories. Uh, Now let's add another story. Uh, this is the sweet process of it. Did you see the way it's been organized on Tableau?
Yes. I'm seeing it.
So at the end of it, you can print your work on PDF, and it will produce your data on the PDF detail. So I think let's write a capture visualization of price for each month, right? Visualization
Mm.
of price for each month.
Mm.
For each month. So uh, this is the table, and this is first visualization, the second visualization. Let's create another visualization by adding another sheet. Let's add another sheet to it. Okay. You can play with your dashboard, but I love using stories to tell. You can play with your dashboard, get more concepts, more processes, and also always try to play with your visualization. Okay, so now let's see, we have created the sheet for. Let's see the food. Let's see the food, the month, and the prices. Or let's see something like this. No good. I believe this is okay. So let's see this. Let's see it for good. Now, this is our visualization for sheet 4. So you can, I told you that you can rename your sheet title on your dashboard. Okay.
Yes.
So, how do you see this dashboard? How did you see the dashboard and the process of creating a visualization?
It's quite easy, and the dashboard is colorful.
It's colorful, so it's quite easy. So
Yeah.
I think compared to Power BI, how do you see this?
So this one is easier.
This one is easier. So
Yes.
it's easier. I love this. It's easier. For this, it's just for quick analysis, and also it's good. It's good. So try to also play with it. So at the end of it, we'll see our result. So let's see more of this. Now, this capture will be what? Visualization of what? Huh? Can you tell me the visualization of what? Hello? So what are we going to write here?
For each year.
Visualization of food by each
Yeah.
month. Food
Sorry, month.
price
Sorry.
by visualization of price of food by each month.
Yes.
Each month. And this is well explainable, and this is the color. It gave us beans, and beans as the highest, and the amount, let's say the amount, which one is the highest? So I think in terms of rice, in terms of rice, in amount, based on August, in amount, it was higher in price. I believe you see it.
Mm.
So this is the visualization, and it's more making sense. So let's see more. Oh, wow. Let's see more. So what are we going to visualize again? Let's see. We have visualized the months and their prices. So what do you think we should visualize? I think we have already visualized everything
Yes. Based on the data set. Yeah.
based on the data set. So now let's customize our data. So let's customize our data. We can come here and give the dashboard a title, and we can let's color this dashboard. Let's see if we can apply colors. Let's apply colors to this. So let's apply color. Let's see if we can. Okay, format title. Now let's format the title and the sheet. Let's use good. We are trying to format the title. Okay. Now
Okay.
let's see. Dashboard title. Let's apply the dashboard title to be black and increase it. Okay, increase it and let's use fonts that will be bold. And now let's come to our story. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. Uh, so I'm going to write dashboard for food data sets. Dash dashboard for food data sets. Okay, and this is it. And now let's sorry, I was having some network glitch. Okay,
All right.
so let's work on it, and I'm trying to work on it and call it a day, and you move ahead for your project. I believe with this little uh, with this class, you will be able to visualize concept. Hello, Soto.
Uh, I can't see your screen again now.
Yeah, I'm trying to share the screen. I'm trying to share the screen. So I said that I believe that with this uh, class, you will be able to visualize your data, right?
Yes.
So I'm coming. Let me name these data and let's format it and give it a title. Okay. So from the stories, I will copy their title, and so let me copy this and go to dashboard. Here will be the price of food, and come to this. So let's go to our dashboard and put it. So wow, our dashboard is looking good. So, Soto, let's see how we can save. Let's see how we can save what we have done so far. Let's see how we can. Okay,
Okay.
let's output our data. Let's save it. Let's save it. Uh, so in uh, in Tableau, let's see if we can export as what PDF. But I'm not seeing export as. Okay, I can see it now. I can print as PDF. So I'll send our project on the group chats. So far, so to how was your journey to this course Python for data analysis?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. The thing is cracking. I didn't hear you.
So I said, how was the journey of you taking this course from the very first day? Python, SQL for data analysis.
SQL. It, it has been wonderful. I think I have learned so many things from the program itself, and I want to thank you for the taking out your time to teach us and me. Uh, but teaching me the way I'm understanding it is I'm really grateful. So the journey has been wonderful, and enjoying because I I I understand so many things. So there's still places I need to go and do more research on my own.
Okay. At the
So
beginning, okay, when you come to a CM Tech, were you able to analyze data?
I didn't hear
Hello.
you. I didn't get you.
I say when you join a CM Tech community, were you able to analyze data? Do you have the knowledge before?
Yeah, yes, Excel.
No, on the course you have taken from us.
No, no.
So when you join CM Tech, you find this course interesting and you were able to acquire some skills from us.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I think we are going to call it a day and you move forward to your project.
I
Okay,
want to ask some questions based on the project.
okay,
I
okay, you can
the other day I
ask.
was yeah, the other day I tried to work on the project, but I don't understand the column. Like one of the column has SNO dot. So if I use that, if I want to mention the the column now, if I put that dot, it will create an error.
You can rename. You look at how you can rename the column.
Or
Okay,
rename I will have rename the column
yeah, rename the
Okay.
column.
But have you gone through the data set? I don't understand. Are they the column now? Are they in text or in integer?
Okay, so you have you gone through it before?
Yes, I've gone through it. I don't. Oh, inside the column we can have, like, for example, now there's one where I have five. It's still in the same column. We have AB like absent.
Okay. Let me share. Let me see the data set. Let's visualize the data set. Okay.
Okay.
So let me share it to the system. I'll open it through Microsoft Excel. So
All right.
you need to patient. Let's go through the data sets. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm still with you. I'm trying to uh, send the data sets. Okay. I'm with you.
Mm,
So, as so to when you are giving data to work on,
okay.
as soon as you do not understand each column, try to sit down, make sure you fix out. As a data analyst, you are to make sure that your data is being organized and fitting. Sometimes the column might not be correct, so you might also suggest the column a suitable name for that column. You can also amend some things in that data set which was not there. Okay.
Okay.
So, thank you for bringing out this, drawing my attention to this correction. Let's see if what you are saying is an issue. So we want to visualize it together for us to see.
Right.
Okay. So I will try to open my, let me share my screen to Microsoft Word. So I will share my screen now.
Okay.
So can you see the screen?
Not yet. Okay, I can see it now.
So what is the issue?
Okay. The issue I'm having now is this. If I want to mention, like, I want to mention this column now. SNO dot. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I expect you now look at it. This is serial number, right?
Yes.
This is serial number. This is roll or attendance number. This is quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4 to 12. And this is the total score out of 45. And this is the what is this again? The average, okay? And I want you, once you have this data like this, as a data analyst, what you are supposed to do is to rework on your data. Take it to any of the data analysis tools. You can rename your column, give it a name, which you can be able to analyze on any data analysis tools. I believe this already answered your question.
Okay. I should take it to um any what
Data
do you call it?
Any
Tools
data
and
analysis tool like Excel, you can rename the column to your suitable column to the name you want to name it so that you can have easy access. But make sure it aligns with what the data is all about.
okay. 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 Okay.
For example, you can rename it to serial number. Do you understand?
Yes.
SNO. You can rename it to serial number. You can rename roll number to attendance number or ID number or matric number. Something, since it's a school data analysis, you have to make sure that you name it with the suitable name, work on your data. I believe what I've explained to you, so I've answered the question correctly for you, and you are not finding it difficult to analyze this data.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I understand better now.
You understand better. So, okay, since you are working on a project, after your project, feel free to ask me any question. Feel free to when you are finding it difficult. Okay,
Okay.
okay, let's call it a day. And so, your congratulations for completing this great course on data analysis with us. So, goodbye and have a nice day. And
Sorry. Sorry.
also,
One more thing. One more thing. Sorry. Don't be angry. One more thing. This my tableau now. Like your own now. Your own. There's a place I saw Excel and all, but I cannot see it on my own.
yeah.
I'm tableau, not this one, not this Excel.
The Tableau, do you have it? Can you share your screen? Let me see.
Oh no, no. I can't. My sister just went off now. What's quite wrong?
So, what is your Tableau showing? Can you give me
Okay.
a picture of what it's showing on a group chat anywhere so that I can have clue of what it's showing?
Maybe okay. Let's call it a day. Maybe when I on my system, I will not. I will snap it and send to you.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's off now.
Okay. Do have a nice day and good night. And
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Yeah.